If you want to adjust the length of the aluminum rails, you can just loosen this little blue screw. Before assembly, establish a rough framework by vertically align two telescopic aluminum rails in the same direction. If you purchased 170111 or 170120 version, position the two crossbeams with the side-facing grooves facing each other. Assemble four handles on the aluminum rails by 4 35mm rapid fasten screws and internal sliders within the rails. Assemble two crossbeams on the aluminum rails by 8 20mm rapid fasten screws and internal sliders within the rails. Loosen the 4 screws within the bottom corners of suction cup holders that used to secure the suction cup handle by Allen wrench. Connect the suction cups to the suction cup holders, then fasten the screws to stabilize the suction cups. In addition to the 8 inches manual suction cups, the Carrix are also compatible with Grabo Woodwork electric suction cups and Grabo Pro electric suction cups, but the Grabo Nemo electric suction cups are not compatible. Install the connected suction cup holders on the aluminum rails by 25mm rapid fasten screws and internal sliders within the rails. The installation method of Grabo Pro electric suction cups are also the same as the 8 inches manual suction cups. Disassembly is simpler. Just disassemble all the parts in a reverse order and then put them into the package. Are lightweight and easy to carry.